Welcome to Research Hub. Creating professional presentations no longer needs hours of research, slide design, and formatting. In today's video, I'll introduce you to two powerful Google AI tools that can help you build high-quality, research-based PowerPoint presentations in minutes, and completely free. If you're a student, educator, researcher, or professional who struggles with time-consuming slide creation, this tutorial will significantly upgrade your workflow. I'll walk you through each tool step by step, reveal a simple editing technique to enhance visual quality, and finally show you how combining these tools can deliver maximum productivity with minimal effort. Make sure you stay until the end, because the final workflow is where everything comes together. Let's begin. We'll start with Google NotebookLM, a research-focused AI tool designed to understand, summarize, and synthesize information from multiple sources. NotebookLM allows you to work with a wide variety of materials, including PDFs, text files, Google Drive documents, website links, and even YouTube videos. What truly sets it apart is its ability to analyze multiple sources at once and generate a unified, well-structured understanding, making it ideal for academic and analytical presentations. For this demonstration, I'm working on the topic Impact of Social Media on Youth. I uploaded 3 academic papers. First paper is about internet addiction and relationships with insomnia, anxiety, depression, stress, and self-esteem in university students, a cross-sectional design study. Second paper is Social Media Use and Well-Being, a systematic review and meta-analysis. Third paper is Social Media, its impact with positive and negative aspects. Once uploaded, NotebookLM processes these documents within seconds. After analysis, it generates a combined summary titled Social Media, Positive and Negative Impacts Across Key Domains. This summary highlights shared findings, major themes, and contrasting perspectives across all 3 studies. On the right side of the interface, you'll see the slide deck option. By clicking this, NotebookLM automatically converts your research into a professionally structured PowerPoint presentation. Within less than a minute, the slide deck is ready. You can preview it directly inside NotebookLM. Each slide includes clear, well-organized content, relevant visuals and infographics, data-driven insights, clean, professional formatting. The AI intelligently pairs visuals with text, improving clarity and engagement. Once reviewed, simply click Download to receive a fully functional PowerPoint file. Beyond working with uploaded documents, NotebookLM also functions as an integrated research assistant, allowing you to discover and analyze new sources directly within the platform. To begin, click on Discover Sources from the NotebookLM interface. In the search field, enter your topic, for example, Impact of Social Media on Youth. NotebookLM then gives you 2 research modes to choose from. Fast Search, designed for speed. This option quickly scans high-quality online content and academic references to deliver reliable results within seconds. It's ideal when you need credible sources without spending hours searching manually. Deep Research. This option performs a more thorough investigation, analyzing detailed academic literature and extended reports. It is best suited for in-depth studies, theses, or literature reviews. For this demonstration, I selected Fast Search. Within moments, NotebookLM automatically identifies 10 highly relevant sources, including research papers, academic articles, and authoritative web publications. This feature alone can save an enormous amount of research time. After importing these sources, NotebookLM analyzes all of them together and generates a comprehensive, unified summary. The summary synthesizes key findings, recurring themes, and contrasting viewpoints, providing a clear and well-balanced overview of how social media affects youth. To transform this newly gathered research into a presentation, simply click Slide Deck once again. NotebookLM then converts the combined insights from all discovered sources into a fully structured, visually polished PowerPoint presentation. The resulting slides integrate evidence, visuals, and key points seamlessly, ensuring that every major aspect of the topic is covered clearly and professionally, without any manual formatting or content organization required. Now let's move on to our second AI tool, Google Gemini 3, a powerful content generation platform designed to transform simple prompts into fully structured presentations. Gemini 3 is especially valuable when you need to create well-organized slide decks quickly without spending time manually outlining sections, formatting layouts, or deciding what content belongs on each slide. It's an excellent solution for educators, students, researchers, and professionals who want speed without compromising presentation quality. Generating a presentation in Gemini 3 is remarkably simple. All you need is a clear, specific, and well-structured prompt. For this demonstration, I asked Gemini 3 to create a 12-slide professional presentation on the impact of social media on youth. In the prompt, I clearly specified a title slide that includes a strong main heading, an informative subtitle, and presenter details content slides, covering key dimensions such as youth mental health, behavioral changes, academic performance, self-esteem, social interaction, and long-term societal implications. A neutral, research-oriented tone appropriate for academic, professional, and conference-level presentations. Providing these details helps Gemini understand both the structure and depth of the content required, resulting in higher quality output. There is one crucial setting that many users miss. Inside the Gemini interface, click on Tools and make sure to enable Canvas. This step is absolutely essential. Without activating Canvas, Gemini cannot generate visual slide presentations. It will only produce text-based content. Once Canvas is enabled, Gemini immediately begins generating the full presentation. Within seconds, you'll see a complete slide deck appear, with each slide clearly structured and visually balanced. The generated slides present a logical flow, clearly outlining both the positive and negative effects of social media on youth, supported by concise explanations and relevant visual elements. At the moment, editing options directly inside Gemini Canvas are limited. However, there is a very simple and effective workaround. Click Open in Google Slides. This transfers the entire presentation into Google Slides, where you gain full editing control. From here you can edit or rewrite text for clarity or emphasis, replace or update images and graphics, modify slide layouts and alignment, change fonts, colors, and design themes, add new slides or remove unnecessary ones. Customize the presentation to align with your brand, institution, or audience. Once you're satisfied with the final design, go to File, download and export the presentation in your preferred format, such as PowerPoint, PDF, or other supported options. By combining Google NotebookLM for research synthesis and structured content creation with Gemini 3 for rapid slide generation, you can produce high-quality, professional PowerPoint presentations completely free and in a fraction of the time required by traditional methods. This workflow is ideal for academic projects, teaching materials, professional reports, and conference presentations. Try this method for your own work and let me know your experience in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to Research Hub for more tutorials on AI-powered research, productivity, and presentation tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.